Welcome back. In this video, we are going to configure very basic security for our server. In past 3 videos, I have used AWS Cloud Server. In this video, I will use DigitalOcean Cloud Server. This is because we have already configured our AWS server from basic security perspective. If you remember, we had created security group for our AWS instance before deployment of Ubuntu server in one of the past video. We have also generated key pair for that instance. So this video is for all except AWS Cloud Server. Also for next couple of minutes, I will run the previous lectures comments because we are going to use fresh DigitalOcean Droplet. So let's get started. On Windows, open PuTTY, and on Linux or Mac, open Terminal. Connect to remote server. Next, we are going to set password for root user. Type passwd and press enter. Type desired password. Once again type password. We did set the password because when we got stuck outside, we will be able to log into Droplet via console from here. Type username, root, and the password. Now we are logged in. You can use this console instead of terminal. Now let's get back to PuTTY. Copy the update command and paste it in here. Press enter. Now our system is getting updated. Next we will set up host name. Once again copy this command. Echo host name. This time we will use mail as host name. Now copy this command and paste it here. Now we have our host name configured. Let's check it by typing host name. Alright. Now we will set a fully qualified domain name. Copy and paste this command. Next type host name, that is mail.domain name. This time I am using another domain name, udcc.in. Next type IP address, and after that mail.udcc.in mail. Now we will change the time zone. Type dpkg reconfigure tg data. Now select geographic area, time zone. Let's verify the date, DATE. Next we will add new user. Type sudo add user and the username James. Enter password once again. Now enter the name and finally type Y. Now let's grant super user privileges to new user. Copy this command. Hit enter and exit. Now log in as new user. Type new username and the password. Now we will set up the first line of defense. Let's generate the key pair first. Open PuTTY on Windows. Linux or Mac users follow these steps to generate key pair and to copy public key to remote server. Click generate and hover mouse over blank area. You may want to use passphrase. Save the private key. Next, go back to PuTTY. Now we will make .ssh directory on server. To do that, type mkdir.ssh. Next, change the permission to this directory. Use this command chmod, which stands for change mode 700 directory name .ssh. Next, create a file named authorized key by using this command. Let's go back to PuTTY and copy the public key. Paste it here. Save the file and exit by pressing Ctrl X followed by Y. Next, change the ownership of .ssh directory and its content by using this command. chown stands for change owner. R stands for recursive. After that, username colon user group. As of now, we haven't created any group, so just type the username instead of group. Next, change the mode of this file using this command. Now we have public key on remote server and private key saved on our computer. Next, we will disable password based login and we will also disable root login. To do that, we need to edit SSH configuration file. Use this command sudo nano /etc/ssh/sshd_config. Now comment out these two lines. Here change yes into no. After that, save this file by pressing Ctrl X. To reload new configuration, restart the SSH service by typing sudo service ssh restart. Next, if you want to change root user password, we can do that by typing sudo passwd and enter the password. Once again enter the password. In order to change other users' password, we need to type sudo passwd username James. After that, enter the password. Once again repeat the password. Sometimes our server may stuck when it ran out of memory due to unexpected heavy traffic or DDoS attack, that is denial of service attack. In that case, instead of manually rebooting, we can configure our server to auto reboot. To do that, we need to edit system control configuration file. Use this command and append these two lines into it.